This is how to create workflow in Jira. From your Jira dashboard, on the upper right corner, click this gear icon, go to work items, and on the left side menu, click workflows and click add workflow. Click create new. Let's say in review, this is a review process and click create. Then this will open a diagram. You can add status, add transition, or you can even export this as an XML. And if you want to edit or delete this workflow, just go to workflows and go to inactive workflows. Find your workflow and just click these three dots and you can edit, copy, or delete. So this is how to create workflow in Jira.